Bitcoin is about to shock us. Welcome, everyone. And if you're new here, I'm Gabby Trades, and I do technical analysis for crypto and equities every day, Monday to Thursday at 3 p.m. UTC time. Well, here it is. We're stepping into March with a big bang. Surprisingly, we have very interesting price action over the weekend where price pumped quite a bit due to President Trump's announcements. Now, I decided not to hold my longs over the weekend, which of course I regret, but at least I stuck to my rules. Now, on the 7th of March, we don't, this week is kind of crazy because on the 7th of March, we don't only have Trump during the crypto summit that's happening, but we also have Fed Chairman Powell's speech. Now, this is very interesting combination, and I can imagine the volatility this might cause. Usually, I'd say sell the events news, but these are news coming at the same time, like different types of news at the same time. And we have to be very, very careful because there are inevitably going to be like big wicks thrown left, right, center in price action. Guys, if you haven't liked the video, go ahead and like it. I can see Sugar Cookie, Harvey, Legit, Conrad, which I haven't seen. Conrad, hello. I'm wearing my headphones because I have the music for you guys, and I want to make sure that we're playing the right stuff and like we don't have any issues with music that we're not supposed to play. But still, I'm testing it out. It might, I hope it goes well. Samir, Mark, Taz, Pinball, Patty, hi everyone. Okay, let's not waste more time. Also, I did another thing. I put the camera a little bit closer so I can be more personal with you guys. This is feedback that I got from my friends. No glasses today? No. Steve M.U., what's up? No glasses today. I'm fine. The lights are coming from like, left and right, but it's okay. Yeah. I don't know. I feel kind of like, tired. I think it's because it's spring and like we get this tiredness when we change seasons. Like it's very weird, but it is what it is. We're on the charts every day, and here we go. Now, I want you guys to tell me, how is the sound? Do I need to make it a little bit louder? Do I need to make it a little lower? Cookie, you need to advise me on that because you were the reason we have music on this stream. Patty, what do you think? What are your thoughts? Do we need to put it down a little bit or like up a little bit? Sound is fine. Okay. I feel like it's kind of low. Should I put it a little louder? Like that? Okay. Yeah, if you have headphones on, it's probably like the best way to kind of check if sound is good. Okay, so I put it a little louder. Let me know if that works for you guys. And we're moving on to the charts because sounds perfect to me. Might be different on a mobile or something. Yeah, that could be. Yeah. Cloud Chaser, hello. What's up, man? Anupam is here. Sound okay. All right, good. You know what, guys? I'm gonna trust you because you're here every day, and you requested for the music, so this is what I got for you. I love music actually, and I love all kinds of musics. Now, let's see what's happening here. All right, so we had this massive. I don't want to listen to this and like look at the charts. It's like confusing me a little bit. Okay. So what do we have? We have this massive pump over the weekend. That just never happens. When was the last time we had something like that over the weekend? I don't remember. But it is what it is. This is where we are at the moment. Now, to be quite honest with you guys, this drop filled like 50% of the CME gap. Okay, I'm gonna pronounce it correctly once for forever. From now, it's CME, not SME or whatever I used to say. So we fill that gap. To be honest with you, I'm quite positive that this is the last drop, but a lot of people are not, and I'm not 100% sure, right? I can only see that from this high, from this high to this low, we have created enough. The move is enough. Like the standard deviation out of this high is perfectly aligned to what I'd usually use as a take profit, right? Had I in a world where I caught this short here, which was, by the way, very, very clear. It was a very, very clear short. From this high over here, very clear short, using my strategy. From here, this is where I should have been long, right? Somewhere here. Somewhere here. My target would have been exactly at the 2 point, at the standard deviation with my stop loss at the high here. When I would get, of course, the confirmation for this short. So my target would have been exactly there. And I calculated this morning this whole move down, and I was like, oh my God, are you for real? Does that mean that it's done? Listen, that doesn't mean that it can't go lower, but this is where I would have taken profit, like literally at the end of this week, had I taken that trade using my strategy. So I'm quite positive that it might be, and also looking at the liquidity that we have here at the all-time high on a higher time frame, like we're looking at the daily. This is like, you know, it's a higher time frame. So I know that price is drawing up to that area. If we're gonna have another dump to the downside, it can actually get really, really messy, to be quite honest with you. So I don't want to see that. I really don't want to see that. So now, usually on the 7th of March, we're going to have Trump speaking. When we have this stuff happening, we tend to get big wicks thrown, such as this one, right? Such as this one. So it's going to be a very volatile situation, and we have to be aware of that. Because what are we doing right now? And what have I been teaching you all this time that I've been live streaming with you? When we have a candle like this, yes, it's very bullish. It's a wick rejection. It's very bullish. But what tends to happen, you know, most of the times is that there is a wick fill following this candle. Whether it's going to be 50%, 60%, nobody can tell you for sure, but there tends to be a wick fill to some extent. And this is what we're seeing with the start of this week, Monday, right? This could be a false move. This could be a false move, because I personally think that price should continue to head to the upside from here. All right, let me see the comments 1 second, because I don't see the comments. What did I do? 1 sec. Sugar cookie 37 only. Okay, I didn't ask for likes, you guys. I thought that you are trained by now. Please like this video because it helps me grow the channel. Most of you guys know I started this channel on the 10th of February, not a long time ago. Joker, blue, blow-eyed, blah, blah, blah. I don't know what is he saying? Blonde, blue-eyed trader. Yes, that's me. Okay, so you guys like this video because that way we can push the algorithm and get more people to join our beautiful community, which is on Discord and where I post all my trades. And by the way, I started doing this daily review, which is really, really cool. We also have a forex section, by the way, from one of my best friends, a studio trader. We were learning trading together for years, and you know, because we used to do forex. I used to trade forex mainly and equities. And in the bull run, I'm like focusing on crypto a lot more because there is opportunities. But we have that equities as well, and we have our VIP chat with our VIP signals. Every trades that I take, my daily reviews I post here. This information is literally all for free. I don't charge anything, but I think because we're now at what, 414 members. When we hit 500 members, I'm gonna lock the Discord. So you guys, if you haven't joined, join, because I'm gonna lock it. I'm gonna lock it under a fee. That's what I'm gonna do. This is what I'm gonna do. I resonate with Trump because I'm also a Gemini. You guys know that I like astrology. By the way, I'm trying really hard to get this astrology legend, a financial astrology legend, to come on our channel and tell us what are the stars showing about crypto, because he is more often than not accurate about the price. I'm just saying that because nobody's accurate 100% of the time, but if you ask me, I'll say he's accurate 100% of the time. You know, but it's very interesting because astrologers are telling us that we're gonna have the bull run until like May, and all the crypto gangs on Twitter are telling us that we're gonna have like this super cycle and we're gonna run until October and further and blah blah blah. Oh my God, Sol is down 11%. Jesus Christ. You guys also put a comment down below in the video, because someone told me that that helps us as well. Not only the chat box, put it in the comments. I think that will help as well. All right, let's move on because this is very interesting. Okay, so like I said, immediate liquidity on a daily time frame for Bitcoin at the all-time high. This is a confirmation for me that we're gonna see all-time high. Also, I'm seeing that we have a sell zone around here at the 104K level. Now, before we had this drop, I told you guys, if we don't get a drop now and we continue up from this range here, if we continue up, I'm going to start selling from the 104K level. Now, I think inevitably we're going to get some sort of reaction from the sell zone, but it's not going to be very, very strong because the liquidity is too close, in my opinion. So I think that I'm going to potentially look for some reversals, sort of like a scalp situation, something that I'm doing, you know, on a daily basis. You guys know, if you're on Discord, if you're not on Discord, join because you are missing out. And also the link is in the description box. Today I put in the chat like a pinned message where you can buy my trading indicators, which are actually very, very easy to use, and you don't need specific training for them. But I've made another video on YouTube on how you can use those indicators if you guys want. Let's hear how the music is going. Wow. Okay. All right, so from here on, this is about Bitcoin for now. We're feeling the wick as we speak. And I don't think that's going to go for too long, because I am usually looking at the ETH BTC and I'm seeing that it's in a downtrend at the moment, ETH BTC. So what I tend to do, you guys, you know, if you're on my Discord, hi Elf Crypto. How are you, mate? If you guys, you know, have been with me for a little bit while, you know what I do. I go on the 4-hour and I check what is the current bias for the specific pair that I'm looking at. Using my indicators on the 4-hour, Bitcoin is bullish, okay? ETH BTC is bearish, Bitcoin is bullish, Ethereum is showing bearishness. What is that telling me? That I am looking for longs on ETH, right? Today I'm looking for longs on ETH, and this is the long that I'm currently in, by the way. I posted that few hours back. We're finally tagged in that position, or I am. So yeah, let's see how that plays out. It's like a 2 to 1 risk reward, very small trades. Actually, the leverage is not something that I'm very, very happy with. But usually on scalps, I like to do Bitcoin, because then I can do higher leverage and then do a bit great. I actually also started a funded account the other week, which, by the way, if I hadn't closed my long over the weekend, I would have passed the challenge in one trade. Like, imagine you owning a prop firm and me showing up and making 8% in like one trade, and you're like, okay, maybe she's gonna bankrupt us. Maybe this is not good. Oh my God, you guys. Bear is here. He's short Ethereum. I think what he means is that he's short Ethereum, because I don't think he's managed to short Ethereum at this point yet. Yes. Afternoon, Wizard of Out. How are you doing? If we have any new people here, again, press the like button and come in the chat because I want to see your names. I remember everyone, and we are, for example, like Pound Town. I don't know who this guy is, but it's probably a new person here. You're welcome. Join Gabby's Discord, guys. Joker, yes, join it. Joker is there. By the way, he is an amazing crypto analyst. And he posts as well his analysis on our Discord from time to time as well. And you can ask him questions. He's very, very friendly. We have only friendly people in our Discord, don't we? Like it's just such a friendly. You know, I ask them like about the thumbnails and everything, and they give me advice. We're trying to grow this channel together. It's just such a nice feeling, right? Cookie was helping me find the music. I was stressing out that I couldn't find the music, and we're talking about crypto. It's just great, and everyone is posting. Oops, I'm in the lounge now. I need to exit the lounge. Okay, hopefully that didn't. Microphone access denied. Well, yeah, of course. We're posting our success here. Some of the guys want to have a DGen channel for some low cap games. You guys, let me know if you want that, because I don't know, they're very keen to have it. Ed, hopefully I'll sign up with Bluffin. Yeah, by the way, if you're not signed up to Bluffin, also I can tell you that until 5th of March, they are offering us 5%. Sorry, no, not 5%. Till 5th of March, we have $100 cash back if you lose trading in trading funds, not like actual withdrawing money. We already gave it to someone who needed it today, who got wrecked, which is not very nice. Now, this is the trade today that I see. I don't see anything else. This is it for me. Even though current target for Ethereum is showing to the downside, I know that ETH is a bit weak right now. So let's hope this plays out really, really well. Solana. Solana is showing bullishness. I'm very surprised of the gains that Solana made, but also we know very well that same like Bitcoin, we have the high time frame liquidity for Solana at $300. That's beautiful. This would have been a very, very good trade as well. I don't know why I didn't take. I should have been long. Actually, when I went long Bitcoin, I should have went long Ethereum and Solana as well. Knowing that they kind of move together, right? So but yeah, sometimes it depends on my I need to change this actually, because that is from a past week. We'll probably do that together in a bit. But yeah, Sol is holding at support. We dropped in the cheapest zone of our price leg. You guys, I've explained to you so many times how I analyze the charts. First thing that I do is identify the price leg that we're currently in, and then I draw my Fibonacci levels that I've given to you guys. We have the 0.5, we have the 0.236, 0.786, 1, and 0, right? So having these levels, we know that anything above 0.786 is premium, and anything below 0.236 is discount, like massive discount. So you see what happens when we're in a price leg, like this with Sol, and we go down to that level of extreme discount of the price leg, we tend to get massive reactions. And how do we find the buy zones for that? Very easy. Again, using my indicators. I'm not trying to sell you my indicators, you guys. Of course I am. Of course I want to sell my indicators, but this is what I use. It's simply what I use. So how do I find the buy zones? Again, I draw the order blocks using my indicators, and this is the one order block. That price you can see tapped exactly to the tick within the buy zone, and then reacted from it. Now, usually when I have buy zones like this, I tend to have order. I don't know why I didn't have an order here, so I'm not long right now. but that's fine. I try not to be FOMO, right? We have to make sure that we are not FOMO at any point. Music check. Hubbard, hi. This is very chill. Jazz version. Let's have a look. A little bit louder. Yeah, that's fine. So yeah, this is what we're trying to do. We're trying to not FOMO into anything. If we see a setup, we take it. If we don't see a setup, we don't take it. As simple as that. Honestly, you guys. I see a setup, I take it. This is my setup for today. Why am I drawing again? Ethereum, and that's it. I'm happy for this Monday trade. Hopefully it will play out. If it doesn't play out, that's fine as well. This is the game, right? We win one, we lose one. The music is a bit hotel lobby. Legit, of course, has problems with my music. Legit. Can you stop complaining for 1 second, please? Jesus Christ. Legit. Such a... What were you? A horse? He's a horse on the Chinese horoscope. Okay, let's change the music for legit. Fine. Hotel lobby type of vibes, he says. I mean, I don't know. This is the playlist. It's copyright-free music, you guys. It's not so easy to find these. Like, I find that a lot of the copyright playlists are with music that is definitely not copyright-free. And I'm like, okay, are you guys trying to put me in trouble here or what? Is this better? I think this is kind of vibing. Yeah, so comfortable sizing. This is what I'm trying to tell you guys. Comfortable sizing. Take it trade by trade. And yeah, we need to be leaving runners. Unfortunately, at this stage, it was Friday. And I tend to close my trades on Friday because I don't want to get wrecked. You know what I mean? I just don't like to get wrecked over the weekend. The price action is terrible. Another thing for ETH is not showing too much liquidity. Like, look, on the daily, ETH's liquidity is up here, right? So on a daily, we have Solana liquidity at $300, the all-time high. We have Bitcoin all-time high on a daily liquidity. And, you know, Ethereum is not even at the all-time high. The liquidity is sitting on a daily time frame, is sitting on 3,526.73. So is Ethereum going to disappoint us? I am not entirely sure, but it doesn't look very strong. Like, look at it. We have this liquidity here, and then on top of it, we have sell zone as well. So it might happen that we take the all-time high liquidity for Bitcoin, and for Ethereum, we sit at 3,526. We take the liquidity, we go up to the sell zone at 3,624, and then we take a short from here. This is going to be very easy to catch. This is why I'm telling you guys, you need the indicators, because when you have the buy zones and the sell zone, Franco is like, you pay way too much attention to legit. He likes to get to your nerves. He really pisses me off, that guy. Legit, can you stop? Please. Oh, Cookie liked the lobby music. Sorry, Cookie. Legit is really getting into me. Like, every single time. I don't know why. He knows how to push my buttons. It's really annoying. Okay, let's go back. Repeat for Ethereum. Very important. If you don't have the indicators, that's fine, because I've marked the sell zones and I send them on Discord. Join Discord. All right. If you haven't, because that's where I post the charts. Now we have these two sell zones for Ethereum. It's very similar situation to Bitcoin and Solana. We have the liquidity on a daily. Difference is that Ethereum is not at the all-time high, whereas the daily liquidity for Solana and for Bitcoin is at the all-time high. And then we have sell zone just below it. So we know there's going to be some sort of reaction, but it's not going to be long because we need to go for the liquidity. And then potentially this liquidity on Ethereum is going to be taken when Bitcoin is at all-time high, and Solana is at all-time high. And then above this liquidity, we have a sell zone at 3,624.5 for Ethereum. So if we notice any shift in price and market structure, we know how to take a short from there, right? Because I'm going to sit on the charts every day, 24 hours, looking at the candles one by one and identifying the market structure, because I am not going to miss another short opportunity, because this Bitcoin short up here was so clean. It was so clean. It is unbelievable. And again, I repeat to you, the target was also very clean. The target was also very clean. Look at it. I would have taken profit right here. I would have taken profit right here. Where would I have entered? I would have entered here, and I would have taken profit right at the two point of this, standard deviation. So, wait, is it actually correct? No, it's not. Wait, 2 point is here. I can't see it very well right now. Is that the thingy? Oh yeah, here. And then we have it from here. No, down here. So it would have been like this, and we would have taken profit at the 2 right here. You see, this is perfect. And this short was very, very easy to catch, by the way. It's just me simply not observing, because it probably was not a sell zone, because we were printing price as it comes at the all-time high. But that's not a problem, because I'm also always used to having the sell zones, and then within the sell zones I'm looking for confirmation on entering short. But when I'm at all-time high, I'm like, okay, like whatever, I don't look at it. But you still have to look at the charts. You still have to look at how the candles are printing and identify a potential reversal. And this was actually very, very clean. So my bad, but whatever. If it happens again, I know what to do. Like I said, this is our trade today for Ethereum, you guys, and that's it. That's what we're going to be watching unfold this afternoon or morning if you're in the US. I don't know where you are. You guys, let me know, where is everyone from? Where is everyone from? Where is everyone from? I know we have some people from Australia. I know I have some people from US. I know we have, yeah, mainly from US. Oh, Karma is from the Caribbean. I love the Caribbean. I've been to a few places in the Caribbean and I love it. I have friends, Belgium, South. I know Patty's from South Africa. Yo, Patty, should we have the Zoom calls again? We should have the Zoom calls again, right? They were really, really helpful, I think. So yeah, you guys, that's it for today. We are looking for a short-term bounce on this price action, and then this is the only trade I want to take for today. I'm not interested in anything else, and I've already caught it, so I'm not gonna go around and look for more trades at this stage. This is it, one trade per day. If it works out, it works out. Should we look at some alts? I don't know. What should we look at? Let's look at Phil, actually. Ooh, Phil is looking good. On a 4-hour, Phil liquidity at the $6. You know what? With this move to the upside, alts were quite interesting. XRP and CAS. Okay, let's finish with Phil first and see what the situation is with Phil. Let's go on a daily time frame. Okay, so this is the 4-hour liquidity up here. Oh, this is good. Oh my, oh. Okay, $8.4 daily liquidity for Phil. This is beautiful. That's gonna be a very, very nice trade. Let's see if we catch it actually from about now or something. That's 152% gain. Ooh, that would be good. That would be really, really good. I've been watching Phil. before. And then I kind of like gave up looking at alts, but I think now is the time that we need to start looking at alts again, you guys, honestly. I think it is about time. I think it is about time. Because we have this range, we cleared down. It's showing that it's bearish right now, but yeah, it's probably gonna have like a small relief right now and then bounce down here. I don't know, the chart is not clear to me right now, the way it stands. Wait, let's go and look at CAS. Let's go and look at CAS. Everything is showing bearishness. This was all buy zone. And from here. CAS. Let's look on the 4-hour. Oh, sorry, on the daily. Oh, wow. Alts are actually going to give us a lot of gains. CAS is looking great. From here to the liquidity, 126%. So alts are definitely going to explode at some point. So you know what? From now on, we're going to start watching alts. We're going to start watching alts. This sell zone was perfect. The drop from here. Again, you can't have your eyes on like 1,000 locations, right? But I'm going to put CAS at the top of my list. I'm gonna put CAS at the top of my list because I'm going to watch it. And we're gonna catch along on CAS. Let's have a look. What else do we have? XRP. XRP is looking that it just took liquidity. What can I tell you? It just looked like it took liquidity on the 12-hour. Oh, okay, look at this drop. Perfectly catch the liquidity here. Right? This liquidity. I think that was the massive drop here on XRP. We've taken all the liquidity. We're trading a bullish leg right now. Yeah, I mean, it's probably going to be a good trade, but we have to look at on the lower time frame to see if we can identify any areas of interest. It's looking bullish right now, but I don't see anything on this chart, to be honest, that I can take right now. Unfortunately, unless it's on a 15-minute or something. No, absolutely nothing. XRP is not what I'm interested in. Is there anything else? Let's look at DOT. Pretty much same thing. Ooh, this is not grapeness. This is not grapeness. Grapes. Oh, actually, that's better. We have this liquidity here on a daily, which means that it's stronger liquidity than the 4-hour. So we're not going to be scared of this. We're going to focus on the daily liquidity for DOT, which is here, $5.4. And then we also have this liquidity up here at $11.6. Look how it's trading perfectly within its price leg. It's not actually like exiting the price leg. Its price is retained. That's insane. So maybe some range situation here, but it's very nice to see that we have this high liquidity here, $11.6. So we've tapped the low here. So from here I'm expecting like some up momentum. Yeah, I don't see a reason why Bitcoin should drop again at this point. Like I said, the standard deviation low was completed, in my opinion. So from here on, we have to continue to the upside and make a new all-time high. That's what I like to see. How many likes are we at? Please, someone. Mine says 32. I don't know. I can't see the likes right now. What, the like count? I don't know. Guys, like the video. Like the video. Okay, so yeah, dot is something that we need to watch as well. So let's move. We're gonna watch CAS, dot. What else? Let's look at BNB. Oh yeah, we had that drop here that we were hoping for, and then we had another drop here on BNB. Liquidity was taken to the downside here. So happy days. We have to look for some longs now, I think. Actually, we can get rid of these buy zones because we need to chart the new buy zones. This buy zone is still valid. Can you like stretch a little bit? Even though it's wicked, this is what tends to happen. But BNB was so perfect again with my indicators, which are available for you guys. Go and grab them if you haven't. They're very cheap. We have this support down here marked using the indicators, and it's just the tap is so perfect for this low. So tell me now these markets are not manipulated, please, because they clearly are. They clearly are. This is just so precise. You guys, I've been trading and like I've been so precise in my entries. This one was not as precise. But usually when I enter, price will just like tap into my limit, and then sometimes it won't tag me because it's so precise. So now I tend to like put the order a little bit up, which is why you know, I was expecting to go a little bit in a drawdown because, you know, I'm scared of not getting filled, being too precise. 500 plus people in here? We don't have 500 people here. You're joking. That's impossible. If we have 500 people here, I'm taking my shirt off. No, I'm not gonna do that. I think we have around 30 or what? It's fine. It's okay. It's okay, you guys. We're gonna grow this channel. It's gonna be fine. I think I deserve a lot of views. A lot of people in YouTube are getting a lot of views and they're not good at all, and they're just capping and they're giving you a trash TA and you believe it and you go and you lose your subscribers. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Task Pinball, shirt off for 500 viewers, make it 2K. Yeah, fine. Okay, 2K. Okay, if we reach 2K live stream viewers, I'm taking my shirt off. Okay. Can you imagine if I do that? That would be hilarious. Oh. Yeah, people are missing out because I'm actually giving you a clear guideline on how to take trades. It's very simple. It's very simple. And yeah, a lot of the people on here are going to like murmur to you about price action and stuff like that, and it could go up and it could go down, and then it could go sideways, and but where you should take a trade, I don't know, because I'm actually not a trader. I just pretend to be a trader type of thing, but that's not happening here. So you're welcome. You're welcome that I spend 2 hours of my day to come here live Monday to Thursday. Okay, this trade is going to be annoying me actually. I think hopefully it's going some volume is going to pump up now, but I don't want to watch it like because it drags. Like the long, for example, on when did we take the long? Was it on Thursday and Friday? I don't remember. But anyway, so I took the long, it was dragging, it was dragging, it was dragging. And then on Friday, I was like, okay, I'm done. I'm gonna close. 10 minutes later, price explodes. I'm like, come on now. Come on. And that was simply because I was sitting there and I'm like watching the charts, like, you know, I'm like, I don't want to have dinner. I just want to take profit where I want to take profit. And that's it. But that takes hours of my life where I can just like leave it like that and let it play out. I'm gonna move to break even at the Asia high because I don't know what's gonna happen. Mondays are very unpredictable. Very unpredictable. Let's see if we still have music. What is that? That sounds very weird. But okay. If you guys like it, you guys like it. I don't know. If you have any like copyright free playlists and stuff like that, you can send over on Discord. If you haven't joined, join. Thank you guys so much for being here, and this is for today. I'll see you tomorrow same time to catch some trades and see what's going on, because this week is going to be insane and we want to make sure that we're here for it. We're gonna be here for it and we're gonna catch the moves as usual. Love you guys. Thank you so much for being here.